Make. Simple tenses. Useful English sentences.
I make breakfast every morning before work. I made breakfast for my family yesterday morning. I will make breakfast before everyone wakes up tomorrow. You make everyone laugh with your jokes. You made everyone laugh at the party last night. You will make everyone smile with your story. He makes coffee every morning before work. He made coffee for everyone this morning. He will make coffee when the meeting starts. She makes delicious cakes for her customers. She made a beautiful cake for my birthday. She will make a special cake for the wedding. It makes a strange noise every time it starts. It made a loud noise during the night. It will make your job much easier. We make important decisions together. We made the right decision yesterday. We will make a decision after the meeting. You make a great team at work. You made an excellent presentation yesterday. You will make great progress this year. They make their own furniture by hand. They made a new table last weekend. They will make more furniture next month.